Alright, so we got a kind of an unusual KC Tool unboxing this time. So this is actually a package that I didn't actually order. I got a message from one of the viewers who has been sending me a couple things. He's the one that sent this Stavilla bottle opener. And he's also sent me this Cornwell, which is looks like a Vita rebrand that I'm going to take a look at and compare it to the Vita base model to see if there's any differences. But he sent me a message saying he accidentally ordered something from KC Tool and sent it to me, and he basically said I could have whatever's inside. So I'm hopefully it's not too expensive. So I guess we'll go ahead and open it up, and it's going to be a surprise what's in here. Alright, first thing that we got on the top here, it looks like a flyer for the current Wera sale. Screwdriver set. That's not a bad price for the ones with the laser tips, and that's not a bad price for the tool check. So I guess that's going on till March 31st. And then we got our number 2 Phillips bit. We got a whole bunch of 1/4-inch drive bits. Looks like we got a number 2. These look like they're in 2 packs. We got 5.5mm slotted, a number 3. And number 1. So we got a couple of these empty pouches. I think these are for the Kraftform Micro. Yeah. So that's something I've been doing too, is buying these pouches and filling them up myself, because there's a couple they don't really offer a good variety of sets for the Kraftform Micro. So you end up with a set that you have a bunch that you never use. So here's my particular set, which I use for terminal blocks, mostly for terminal blocks. This is what I use this one for, because it has pretty much every slotted size. And then you got Phillips number 1 down to 000. And this combination is not a set that they sell, so you end up having to make your own. So yeah, it looks like he must have a bunch of Kraftform Micro drivers that he needs to fill up. Actually, so you got a Wiha and a Wera in the same bag. Let's just throw them in. So this is the Wiha bit holder. So he must have probably planning on using them for these. You got a bit check. So those are the bitorsion diamond. Definitely have an interesting coating on there. They're called diamond, but I don't know if they really have diamond dust on the tips or not. Alright, we'll have to try these out, because I don't think I own any of these little tiny bit checks. Battle of the holders, of the 1/4-inch bit holders. We got one last thing in here. They said this was a small order, but there's a lot of line items in here. So this is something I actually don't have. The 812 1/4-inch bit holder. So that's actually the largest Kraftform handle I think I've ever seen. Is the one you typically see on like a Phillips number 2 and some of the larger. So it's about as big as the biggest Wiha handle, it looks like. So yeah, it looks like it's a magnetic 1/4-inch bit holder. I guess he was planning on using all of these Wera and Wiha bits. It's kind of an unusual bit right there. See how long the shaft is on there? I think I see what he was trying to do. A lot of times with these 1/4-inch bit holders, these screws on components are recessed quite a bit. These ones are pretty close to the surface, but when you get to circuit breakers and very large terminals, usually you can't use this type of tool. But with this, you probably could. So that's probably what he was doing with buying these long bits. That would be my guess. Alright, well, thanks to the viewer who accidentally sent this stuff to me and allowed me to keep it. Hopefully nothing on here was too expensive. But he did say he ordered it again, so I might try using this for a bit. Alright guys, well, that's it for this one. Kind of an unexpected KC Tool unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and I'll catch you guys next time.